how to cultivate a rich, resonant voice in Bangla? A voice that can captivate an audience, convey emotions and ideas powerfully? Well, the journey to a rich voice isn't as elusive as it may seem. It just demands a bit of practice, perseverance, and a few practical tips. So, buckle up as we delve into the world of voice improvement. The first step towards a rich voice is understanding the importance of breath control. It powers our voice, and learning to manage it efficiently can make a world of difference. Start with simple breathing exercises. Inhale deeply, hold it for a few seconds, and then exhale slowly. Practice this daily, and you'll notice a gradual improvement in your voice's volume and quality. Next, focus on the clarity of your speech. A clear pronunciation is crucial, especially in a phonetically rich language like Bangla. To improve this, practice reading aloud. Pick up a Bangla newspaper, a novel, or any piece of text and read it out loud. Feel each syllable and sound, understand how your mouth moves, and over time you'll see an improvement in your pronunciation. The third tip to enhancing your voice richness is to exercise your vocal cords. Just like any other muscle in your body, exercising your vocal cords can help in strengthening them. Try humming or singing in different pitches. This not only warms up your vocal cords, but also helps in expanding your vocal range. Now, let's talk about the power of emotions. A flat, monotonous voice can bore your listeners, no matter how rich your voice is. So, express emotions when you speak. Practice this by reading a piece of dialogue from a play or a movie, and try to convey the emotions of the characters. Remember, your voice is a powerful tool to express feelings. Use it wisely. Lastly, take care of your voice. Hydrate regularly, avoid shouting or straining your voice, and get adequate rest. A healthy voice is the foundation of a rich, resonant voice. So, to summarize, cultivating a rich voice in Bangla involves mastering breath control, focusing on clear pronunciation, vocal cords, expressing emotions effectively, and taking care of your voice. Remember, the key to improvement is consistency and practice. So make these tips a part of your daily routine, and soon you'll see a marked improvement in your voice's richness. And there you have it. A journey to a richer voice doesn't have to be a daunting task. It can be a fun, enriching experience that not only improves your voice, but also enhances your communication skills. So go ahead, embark on this journey and discover the power of your improved, rich voice.